Hi guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif. In this particular video, we will discuss the indefinite and definite PYQs of integrals up to from part 3. Like up to part 3, we have done questions up to 47. All right. Now in today's session, we'll continue with question number 48. Before I start, guys, please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get the notification for all our classes. All right, if you've already subscribed, please at the end of the session, please do share my video. Hi Pranav, let us start, guys. We have done up to question number 47. We will start with question number 48. All right, question number 48. All right, guys, I'm going to divide numerator and denominator by x square. That is, I take x square common, you get 1 plus 1 by x square, right? And then if I take suppose x square common, if I take x square common, it will be equal to x square plus 1 by x square dx. Right, I'm going to cancel this x square. See, a square, if it is plus in the numerator, this is 1 plus 1 by x square, right? And then whole divided by, if it is plus in the numerator, then you should bring minus in the denominator. That is, if I have suppose a square plus b square, a square plus b square can be written as a minus b the whole square plus 2ab. Alright. Rajwal, not all the questions can be done using shortcut, guys. Dude, but if I come across a question where you can apply shortcut, then definitely I'll use shortcut, but not all. Take 22 paper, 21 paper, 19 paper, 18 paper and check. Not all questions can be done using shortcut, and in fact there are so many questions which I've done using shortcuts. Alright, if wherever I come across, I'll do it. Don't worry, but not all the questions can be done using shortcuts. You take the previous KCET papers and check. A square plus b square is a square plus b square can be written as a minus b the whole square plus 2ab, right? You can check the recordings. I have done all the questions from 2014 to 2022 papers I have solved, and watch the recording if you want. So a square plus b square, if I have suppose x square plus 1 by x square, this can be written as x minus 1 by x the whole square plus 2ab, that is 2x into 1 by x. This will cancel, you will get this as x minus 1 by x the whole square plus 2. This fellow will be equal to x minus 1 by x the whole square, okay, and then plus 2. Now I'll put x minus 1 by x is equal to t. Differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, and dx is equal to dt. So this becomes numerator is equal to dt divided by 2 can be written as root 2 the whole square plus t square. Right, so this is of the form dx divided by a square plus x square. Formula will be equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So this is tan inverse of x by a and plus c. So this will be equal to 1 by root 2 tan inverse of x by a. So this is tan inverse of t by root 2. T by root 2 between the limits, right? Then this is plus c. This is plus c. So this is 1 upon root 2. Substitute the value of t. T value is x minus 1 by x whole divided by root 2 and plus c. Right, now if I cross multiply, this becomes tan inverse of 1 by root 2 tan inverse of x square minus 1 divided by x root 2. Okay, and then plus c. That's the last option D. Alright, you understand, guys? So it should be option D only. Let's move to the next question. See, again, this is COMEDK problem. This is 2 power x into 2 minus 5 power x into 5 power minus 1 whole divided by 10 power x and then dx. Now if I separate them, 2 is a constant out, you get 2 power x divided by 10 power x and 5 power minus 1 integration of 5 power x divided by 10 power x dx. Alright, now this is equal to 2 times 2 power x divided by 10 power x can be written as 2 power x into 5 power x. 5 power minus 1 is 1 by 5. Okay, this is 5 power x. This is 2 power x into 5 power x. I'm going to cancel 5 power x. I'm going to cancel 2 power x. Right, if I shift to numerator now, this is equal to 2 into integration of 5 power minus x and 1 by 5 into integration of 2 power minus x dx. Isn't it, guys? What is integration of a power x formula? Integration of a power x dx will be equal to a power x divided by log a to the base c. Right, so if I use this formula, integration of 5 power x is 5 power minus x into log 5 to the base c. Okay, coefficient of x is minus, divide by minus 1. Here also same, 2 power minus x is 2 power minus x into log 2 to the base c. Coefficient of x is minus, divide by minus and plus c. Alright, now this is equal to minus 2 into 5 power minus x by log 5. Right, it's understood it is the base c. Minus and minus is plus, 2 power minus x 5 into log 2. It is understood the base c. This is plus c. Answer is option B. Alright, hope this is clear, guys. So it's a direct, it's a good question. Just you need to split, divide this into 2. Alright, and it's a COMEDK question. Separate them and integrate. Use a power x formula. A formula I have written here. Integration of a power x is a power x into log a to the base c. NCERT example solutions. No, it's easy only, dude. It's not tough. NCERT exemplar is easy only, but level is little higher than the NCERT. Right, level is little more than NCERT. Go through, because in the previous year papers they have picked questions from NCERT exemplar as well. Exact MCQs they have picked. Okay, let's move to the next question. This is a direct question. You need to complete the, either you complete the squares or you split the middle term and do it. Okay, see, if I have x square plus x minus 2, if I split the middle term, this is 2 minus 1, right? So this is x plus 2 into x minus 1. Now this question can be written as 1 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 1. Alright, this shortcut I taught you, guys. If you check the previous year papers, if you check 19 paper, 21 paper and 22 papers, I have done shortcut for this. No need to use partial fractions. 1 upon, even in exemplar questions I have done. Okay, integrals on exemplar, x plus 2 into x minus 1. If I equate this to 0, root will be minus 2. If I equate x minus 1 to 0, root will be 1. Right, I'll go back to the question now. In place of x, I'll put minus 2. This will be x plus 2 only. Don't substitute here. Otherwise, that fellow will be 0. Then minus 2 minus 1. Once you're done, put plus. Now in place of x, you put 1. 1 divided by 1 plus 2 into x minus 1. This is minus 1. minus 1 by 3, and then you get x plus 2. Okay, and then you get this as plus 1 by 3 and x minus 1. No need to use a by b by and all. Yeah, first go through the basics, dude. Go through the NCRT, go through the formulae, solve all the basic questions, and then you solve the PYQs. Okay, then you watch the lectures. Minus 1 by 3, 1 divided by x plus 2 dx. And then this is plus 1 by 3. Okay, so this, if I resolve into partial fractions after this is equal to 1 upon, this is 1 by, right? This is equal to, if I simplify, this will be equal to 1 by. So this is minus 1 by 3, 1 divided by x plus 2, and then this is plus 1 by 3 and 1 divided by x minus 1. Okay, so this is minus 1 by 3, 1 divided by x plus 2 plus 1 by 3 and 1 divided by x minus 1 dx. Okay, so this is minus 1 by 3, integration of 1 by x is log x, plus 1 upon 3, integration of 1 by x is log x, you get log x minus 1 and plus c. Right, now if I take suppose 1 by 3 common, you get this is log of x minus 1 minus log of x plus 2. Okay, and then plus c. Log m minus log n is log m by n, right? So you get 1 by 3 log of x minus 1 by x plus 2. Okay, and then plus c. Answer is option B. Alright, let's move to the next question. That was a question on partial fractions. Split the middle term, separate it, and then integrate. This is question number 51. Good problem. See, this value is given. This is given in the question, that integration of 1 by x plus x power 5. This is given. Okay, now integration of x power 4 divided by 1 plus x power 5 dx. This is x to the power of 4. If I take x common, you get 1 plus x to the power of 4 dx. Right, now if I separate them, see, do like this. I'm going to write 1 plus x power 4 minus 1. I added 1 and subtracted 1. I am writing numerator in terms of denominator. X into x to the power of 4 dx. Right, now if I separate them, this is equal to integration of 1 plus x to the power of 4 divided by x into 1 plus x power 4. Okay, and then integration dx divided by x into x to the power of x into 1 plus x power 4. Right, I'm going to cancel this. You will get integration of 1 by x dx, isn't it, guys? Minus, right, this is equation 1. I'll call this as equation 1. Integration dx divided by, you get x plus x to the power of 5. Okay, so this is integration of 1 by x is log x minus integration of dx divided by 1 plus x power 5 is same as fx plus c. This is from equation 1. Okay, this will be fx plus c, and this fellow is from equation 1. Equation 1 I'm using, so you get log x minus fx plus c. Answer is option B. Alright, let's move to the next question. Right, so again COMEDK question. After this I will do 21 and 22 questions. KCET 21 and 22 questions. The integration of ax square plus b is there, right? Take only x common. This will be equal to ax minus b by x. Okay, and then whole divided by, this is x into root of x into root of, this is c square x square minus under the square, I'll take x common. I'm going to keep that square as it is. If I take x common, this will be equal to ax plus b by x. B by x, and this is whole square. And then this is dx. Okay, now this is equal to x into, this is ax minus b by x. Then whole divided by x into root of c square x square minus this fellow will be equal to x square into, this is ax plus b by x the whole square. Okay, so this is a root here, the whole square. Right, now this can be written as, now this is equal to integration of, okay, now x into, alright, now what I'll do is in the numerator, I will take x square common so that I can cancel that x square. So if I take this x square out, this will be equal to a minus b by x square. Here also same, this is x square into a minus b by x square. And then this is dx. Alright, so this is x square into a minus b by x square dx. Right, and then whole divided by x into, that x square is under the root, right? If I take x square common under the root, so this becomes c square minus ax plus b by x the whole square. That x square is under the root. Right, now this is equal to integration of x square into a minus b by x square dx, isn't it, guys? Then whole x into, that x square is under the root. If you take x square outside the root, it will be x. Root of c square minus ax plus b by x the whole square. Okay, so this x square will cancel with x square. Now I'll put a plus. Right, now I'm going to substitute ax plus b by x is equal to t. Differentiation of ax is a, differentiation of b by x is minus b by x square. Dx is equal to dt. Now if I use the substitution, this becomes, numerator will be equal to dt divided by root of c square minus t square. Right, now this is of the form, this is of the form dx divided by root of a square minus x square. Formula will be equal to sine inverse of x by a. Sine inverse of x by a and plus c. So this becomes sine inverse of t by c and plus c. T by c and plus c. Now this becomes a sine inverse of, I'll substitute the value of t. T value will be equal to ax plus b by x whole divided by c plus c. That is, you get sine inverse of, c is a constant, k is a constant, so don't worry. Since c is already there, I'll take some other constant k. This fellow is also k. Now if I cross multiply, this is sine inverse of ax square plus b whole divided by cx. Okay, plus the constant k. So sine inverse of ax square plus b divided by cx plus k. Answer is option D. Right, hope this is clear, guys. 52D. Let's move to the next question. Okay, again this is COMEDK. See, when you have, this is of the form dx divided by a cos x plus b sin x. See, before I go to this question, guys, there are some results, like if you have suppose integration of, okay, integration of cosec x. Integration of cosec x is actually, what's the formula? Integration of cosec x is log of cosec x minus cot x, right? Yeah. And then this is plus c. This is the formula. Now if I write the formula in the simplified form, this will be equal to, this is just a note point. I'm just deriving one formula which usually they use in entrance sometimes. Cosec can be written as 1 by sine, cot can be written as cos by sine. Okay, and then plus c. This will be equal to log to the base c of, I'm going to take LCM sine, numerator as 1 minus cos x. Okay, so this is equal to log of 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square x by 2. Whole divided by sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Two sin x by 2, this is cos x by 2. Okay, and then plus c. 2 and 2 cancels, the sign will cancel with the square. This is log of sine by cos is tan, this will be tan x by 2. So this is the formula, guys. Integration of cosec x is log tan x by 2. Alright, similarly, if I have suppose like this, integration of sec x, sec theta can be written as cosec of 90 plus theta, right? Cosec of 90 plus theta will be equal to sec theta only. So integration of cosec x is log tan x by 2. This is log tan of x by 2, that is pi by 2 plus x whole divided by 2. And plus c, log tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Log tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 dx. X by 2 plus c. So this is the formula. So integration of cosec x, integration of sec x, I derived the formula in a simplified form. Alright, now see, this is of the form. This is of the form integration dx divided by a cos x plus b sin x, or a sin x plus b cos x, what it may be. Okay, so divide by, multiply and divide by root of a square plus b square. So if I compare, a will be 1 and b will be 1. Root of a square plus b square is root of 1 plus 1, which is equal to root 2. Okay, I'm going to write dx divided by root 2 into a bracket. This is sin x into 1 by root 2 plus cos x into 1 by root 2. I'll multiply and divide by root 2. So this is 1 upon root 2 integration dx divided by, this is sin x into cos pi by 4 plus cos x into sin pi by 4. Okay, now this is equal to 1 upon root 2 integration dx divided by sin a cos b plus cos a sin b sin of a plus b, that is equal to x plus pi by 4. Okay, now 1 by sin is cosec. This is equal to 1 by root 2 and 1 by sin is cosec. You get cosec of x plus pi by 4 dx. Alright, now integration of cosec x. Just now I derive the simplified form. Integration of cosec x is log tan x by 2. Log tan x by 2. How it is? We derived just now in the previous slide. Okay, here I derive integration of cosec x is log tan x by 2. Right, if I use this formula, guys, integration of cosec x is log tan x by 2. So this is 1 upon root 2 log tan x by 2. So log tan of x by 2 is x by 2 plus 5 by 8. Okay, and then plus c. If you divide by 2, let me write one more step so that you understand. Cosec x log tan x by 2. This will be equal to x plus pi by 4 whole divided by 2 and plus c. So this is 1 upon root 2, and then you get this is log tan of, if you divide by 2 you get x by 2 plus pi by 8, pi by 8 and plus c. 1 by root 2 log tan of x by 2 plus pi by 8. Answer is option A only. Alright, let's move to the next question. Now this is 2021 guys, question number 54. This was asked in 21 paper. Alright, can anyone tell me how do you start this question guys? X cube into sine of tan inverse of x power 4 by 1 plus x power 8. What's substitution here? How do you start? I should put tan inverse of x to the power of 4 is equal to t. Differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x power 4 the whole square. And differentiation of x power 4 is 4x cube dx is equal to dt. 1 by 1 plus x to the power of 8. Okay, and then you get x cube dx. Dx is equal to dt by 4. Is equal to dt by 4. Alright, so this becomes, this is sine t, right? This is sine t, and x cube divided by 1 plus x to the power of 8 dx will be dt by 4. Integration of sine is minus cos t by 4 and plus c. So minus 1 by 4 and then cos of, substitute the value of t is tan inverse of x power 4, right, and plus c. Answer is option A. Right, this was asked in 21 paper. Let's move to the next question. Even this is 21. Integration of x square dx divided by root of a power 6 can be written as a cube the whole square, right? A power 6 can be written as a cube the whole square. X power 6 can be written as x cube the whole square. Plus this is x cube the whole square. Okay, now I'm going to put x cube is equal to t. 3x squared dx is equal to dt. 3x squared dx is equal to dt. And from this I can write x squared dx is equal to dt by 3. Okay, so this is equal to integration of x squared dx is equal to 1 by 3 into dt divided by root of a cube the whole square and then plus t square. Okay, now this is of the form dx divided by root of a square plus x square. Formula will be equal to log of x plus root of a square plus x square. A square plus x square and plus c. So this becomes 1 upon 3 this is equal to 1 upon 3 root of a square plus x square will be equal to log of x plus root of log of t plus root of a square plus x square, that is a cube the whole square plus t square. Okay, and then plus c. Now substitute the value of t, so this is 1 upon 3 log of t value is x cube plus root of a cube the whole square plus t square, that is t square is x cube the whole square and plus c. Alright, now this is equal to 1 upon 3 and then log of x cube plus root of a cube the whole square is a power 6 plus x cube the whole square is a power 6 plus the constant c. So this is 1 upon 3 log of x cube Root of x power 6 a power 6 plus c. Answer is option C. Alright, let's move to the next question. Again 21 paper. E power x into a bracket. It's a standard NCERT question only. 1 plus x the whole square. Okay, this x can be written as 1 plus x minus 1. Add 1, subtract 1 and then dx. Now if I separate them, e power x into a bracket, so this is 1 plus x by 1 plus x the whole square minus 1 by 1 plus x the whole square dx. Right, now this 1 plus x will cancel with the square. You will get this as e power x into a bracket. You get 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x the whole square. Isn't it, guys? Now this fellow is of the form integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. Okay, formula will be equal to e power x into fx plus c. Right? Hi Apurva. Now this can be written as e power x into f of x, that is 1 by 1 plus x plus c. So this is equal to e power x into 1 by 1 plus x and plus c. Alright, answer is option D. Alright, let's move to the next question. Again, this is a 2021 only, and this is there in NCERT exercise. E power x into a bracket based on the same formula only. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x by 2, right? Okay, and then 1 plus sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. Cos x by 2 and then dx. Now if I separate them, this is e power x into a bracket 1 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, and then plus this is 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. And 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. And then this is dx. I cancel this 2 and 2. Right, I'm going to cancel cos and the square. So this is 1 upon 2 e power x into a bracket. This is 1 upon 2. 1 by cos is sec, right? So this is sec square x by 2. And sin by cos is tan. You get tan x by 2 dx. Right, so this is equal to e power x into this is tan x by 2 plus this is half of sec square x by 2. Should be equal to half of sec square x by 2. Okay, and then you get dx. Now it is same form, right? So this is of the form e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. Formula will be equal to e power x into fx plus c. So this fellow is e power x into tan x by 2 plus c. Answer is option A. Okay, question number 58. This was asked in 22 paper, last year paper. Alright, and I did similar NCERT exemplar questions as well. Don't use the normal board method. Alright, if I differentiate with respect to x, alright, if I differentiate throughout with respect to x, integral sign will vanish. You get 1 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1, right, is equal to, if I differentiate the denominator, log of 1 plus x square is 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x, so this is 2ax. B times differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 upon 5 log x is 1 by x. And c is a constant, it is 0. Okay, now this is, if you multiply by x plus 2 into x square plus 1, This becomes 1 is equal to 2ax into 1 plus x square will get cancelled. You will get this as x plus 2 plus b into x square plus 1 will get cancelled. You get x plus 2 plus 1 upon 5 and then you get x square plus 1. Right? Now this is 1 is equal to, if you multiply you get 2ax square plus 4ax plus this is bx plus 2b plus 1 by 5 x square plus 1 by 5. Okay, now if I equate the coefficient of x square, if I equate coefficient of x square both the sides, left side it is 0. Coefficient of x square if I equate, you will get this is 2a plus 1 by b, 1 by 5. 2a is equal to minus 1 by 5. You will get a is equal to minus 1 by 10. Okay, now if I equate the coefficient of x, if I equate the coefficient of x, left side it is 0, right side coefficient of x is 4a plus b. Alright, so 0 is equal to 4 times a is minus 1 by 10 plus b. You get b is equal to minus 4 by 10, that is 4 by plus 10. B is equal to 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5. A is minus 1 by 10, B is plus 2 by 5. Answer is option D. This was asked in 22 paper, guys, last year paper. Right, let's move to the next question. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1, right? Okay, and cos 2 alpha will be equal to 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Whole divided by, this is cos x minus cos alpha. Cos alpha and then dx. If I open the bracket, this is 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha. Minus and minus is plus, whole divided by, this is cos x minus cos alpha dx. This will cancel. Alright, I'm going to take 2 common. This is cos square x minus cos square alpha whole divided by cos x minus cos alpha. Okay, now this is equal to 2 times 2 into a bracket a square minus b square. I can write this as cos x minus cos alpha, and then this is cos x plus cos alpha. Okay, whole divided by, this is cos x minus cos alpha dx. This fellow will cancel. Now if I separate them, this is equal to 2 times. Yes, Apurva, right? First option. So this is equal to integration of cos x dx plus this is cos alpha is a constant, and then you get integration of dx. So 2 into a bracket integration of cos x is sin x plus integration of dx is x, then you get cos alpha and plus c. That is first option. Right? So I'm done with this all the indefinite integrals, guys. In my next video, I will start with definite integrals, and we will discuss MCQs of 2014 to 2022. Alright, wherever possible shortcuts are there, we will apply. Wherever standard results are there, I will use. I'm going to use it. Okay, so please do share and like and share this video, guys. And alright, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe our channel. Please do subscribe so that you get the notification of all our classes. There's one query. Okay, KCET examination, I have only 23 days. I have not written more. Go through the basics first. Go through NCERT first, basic. Go through the NCERT exemplar, and then solve the PYQs. Work hard. That's it. Right. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining. We will continue in the next session. All right. In my next video, I will start with definite integrals. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining.